Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be looking at the pound Aussie. Right, so we have pound Aussie here on the 4 hours, and on the 4 hours, just want to highlight to you the intraday market structure. Okay, so we see that price generally has been making higher lows, right? However, over here, instead of price making higher lows and higher highs, right now we see price here making lower highs, and for this recent low, right, it actually matched the previous low, right? So we can tell that there could very well be a intraday internal change in structure over here. And if we were to connect all the highs, right, with a trend line, so without cutting the candle body, we actually see that every time price comes back to the trend line, it's always around the 78.60 level, right? So you see price came down, came back up to the 78.60. Another time price came down, came back up, and we see the 78.60 again. So we can expect price to make a lower low, right? We can expect price to make a lower low, but of course we can also have our first take profit, okay, our intraday take profit at the last swing low. This is an event that, instead of price making a lower low, price makes the same low and then comes back up again. All right, so we have our take profit. Right now, let's go down to the 1 hour to find our entry and our stop loss. One. Okay. I move this. Okay. Okay, so we have the 1 hour chart over here. Let's tidy up the trend line, and we can see that price is has already reacted at the 78.60. Okay, so we can just highlight the 78.60. All right, and we can use this level as our stop loss, right? This last swing high as a stop loss here. Okay, so let me just select this one, and we can use this as a stop loss. Now we're looking for an entry. When price pushed all the way down, price could easily come back up again. We can also use the last uncompleted movement, okay, for entry level as well. All right, and when we use the uncompleted movement, we see that our stop loss level once again is at 78.60. Okay, I would prefer to use, I'm thinking price could come back up to 50% level. There is also a graphical overlap, right? So I'm just going to highlight the 50% and put the entry over here. Okay, so just remember that those Fibonacci levels, this will be a sell entry. All right, so this looks to be a very nice risk reward trade. Okay, we can actually have a partial take profit somewhere in the middle, so we can use this last movement from low to high. All right, and we can have a partial take profit, say somewhere at the 61.8 level, which has not yet been tested. Okay, so we have our partial take profit, we have our full take profit. Should price come down to our partial take profit, we can close out half the position and move our stop loss to break even. Right, last but not least, we can also look at indicators. Okay, and looking at the stochastics over here, let me just zoom in on the chart a bit. Okay, looking at the stochastics over here, right, every time price tests this resistance on the stochastics, right, every time we see it, okay, price test this area here, and stochastics on stochastics, price will reverse, right? Stochastics come back to this area, right? We see a reversal. Stochastics comes back to this resistance. We see another reversal again. Right, so we can expect price to make a deeper drop as well. So thanks everyone for tuning into today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.